Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you this Charlie Haycock tech trick from about 10 years ago, I think. So here's what it looks like from my perspective. Okay, sweet. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond for this tutorial, and this video is sponsored by yoyo UK. So you can use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout and go pick up one of their awesome yo-yos. Okay, let's get into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll over your index finger, right, like you're going to go into a 1.5 mount, and also roll over your wrist. So it's like you're going into a 1.5 mount, but instead you're going to go into your wrist. From here, you're going to roll into that string like so, and then you're going to drop that slack, or drop that string on your non-throw hand. Okay, so you should be in a mount that looks like this. From here, you're going to roll onto those two strings, making sure the yo-yo lands on the back one like so, and then you're going to roll the yo-yo onto this string like so. From here, you're going to drop those first two strings off of your non-throw hand finger, and then roll off like so. Then you're going to roll over your throw hand wrist, and then you're going to do a little underpass using your non-throw hand finger, and this is the entrance into the wrist mount. I'd recommend having that wrist mount entrance down first, because it's just a really good transition into it, and it's also how he does it. But anyway, yeah, from the wrist mount, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to undercut it so you've got like it open, and then you're going to roll onto these two strings, making sure to land on the back one. From here, you're going to do the ring pinky finger pinch and pull that string through that slack. Next, you're going to roll onto this string here, then drop those two strings off of your non-throw hand. From here, you're going to roll over, and then you're going to roll into this string here. Then roll into that front one. Then pop it out whilst dropping that string on your thumb, on your non-throw hand, and then you're going to roll into that string there. From here, you're going to push it out, and then roll the yo onto that string where my thumb is. From here, you're going to roll out again, and then you're going to pop out like so, and then land back into that wrist mount. That's the whole trick. But it's super complex, so I'll go over that bit one more time, and then I'll go over the whole trick. So from this wrist mount, you're going to undercut, land onto that back string, pull that through, land onto that back string, drop inside this fake kamikaze, roll out, roll into the middle string, roll into the front string, pop out, drop, land into this like double GT sort of thing, roll out, use your thumb to separate these two strings, and then roll twice, landing into that, roll around, push out, and then land into a wrist mount where you can then bind. So I'll go over the whole trick one more time now, and then you can be on your merry way. So you roll into a 1.5 mount around your wrist, then you're going to roll onto this weird double or nothing-esque thing, roll onto that back string, drop the first two strings off, roll around again, underpass again into a wrist mount, roll off, pinky ring finger pinch, drop those front two strings, roll into that back or middle string, roll into the front string, pop out, drop, roll in, and use your thumb to guide it into that middle string segment, then push out, and you should be in a wrist mount, and then you can just dismount as normal, and then bind. Whew, I know that trick is a lot, which is why I sort of began to lose energy, but hopefully you liked it. If you have any questions about it, you can message me on KieranFanYoyo on Instagram, or you can leave them in the comments. Otherwise, that's it. Peace.